See beta, now you all know how to read the time and you have understood the concept of AM and PM also. Yes, but when you will go to railway station or when you will go to airport, there you will not be seeing the time in AM or PM. They use the 24-hour clock time. That is, at railway stations, time is represented as 8-10 hours. You will be seeing the time written in this way. Understood? That is, in 24-hour clock time, time is represented as 4-digit numerals. In 24-hour clock time, time is represented as 4-digit numerals. And the 2 digits from my right hand side, these 2 digits from my right hand side represents the minutes. And these 2 digits from my left hand side represents the hours. Understood? Now, I have already explained you 12-hour clock time. And I have told you in 12-hour clock time, the hour hand goes round the clock twice a day. Why twice a day? Because a day has 24 hours. That is, see, this is my 12-hour clock time and this is my 24-hour clock time. Now I will be explaining you the basic difference between 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time. Just now I told you that in 12-hour clock time, the hour hand goes round the clock twice a day. See, it starts from 12, then it will come to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Again it reaches at 12 and then it resets itself. That is, again it will come at 12 and then 2, 3, 4 and again it will move and again it will finally come to 12. But in 24-hour clock time, the 24-hour clock time, it will not reset here. See, here it is 0, 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The 24-hour clock time has not reset it itself here. It is moving. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and again 0. At here, this step, the 24-hour clock time will reset it again. But in 12-hour clock time, it has reset it here also. Started from here, reached 12, again it has reset and finally reached 12. But in 24-hour clock time, it has started from 0 and moving continuously and reached till 0, 0. At 0, 0 only, it will reset it again. Okay. Now, I have also explained you the concept of 12 midnight and 12 noon. In 12-hour clock time, one is 12 midnight and one is 12 noon. 12 midnight. 12 midnight we say in 12-hour clock time. You can see here it is 12 and I told you at 12 only we assume that the day is starting. 12 is our starting point. That is, in 24-hour clock time at 12 midnight it is represented as 0, 0. So how we will write the time 12 midnight in 24-hour clock time? 0, 0. And both the hands are at 12 only. That means not even a single minute has passed. Complete time is 12. That means 0 hours and 0 minutes. 0, 0, 0 hours. In this way, we write 12 midnight in 24-hour clock time. That is 0, 0, 0, 0 hours. And 12 noon, how we write? 12 noon, you can see here it is 12, here also it is 12. Same. Yes, so I will write 12 only. Here also both the needles are at 12. Not even a single minute has passed. So how many minutes? 0, 0. 0 minutes. So I will write the time 12, 0, 0 hours. in 24-hour clock time. 12 noon is written as 12:00 hours and 12 midnight is written as 00:00 hours. Understood? Now, I told you that from 12 midnight to 12 noon, we write the time in AM. I told you 12 midnight to 12 noon. Time is in AM, in 12-hour clock time. Yes, that is this time I am talking. Here we use AM. And you can see when it is 1, in 24-hour clock time also it is 1. Here it is 2, here also it is 2. Here it is 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. That means in AM there is no difference. It is same. When we will convert 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time, and if the time is written in AM, there will be no change. Let me explain you. Suppose the time is 1:30 AM. 1:30 AM. And I have to convert it into 24-hour clock time. Just now I told you that 24-hour clock time is represented as 4-digit numerals. So in place of 1, I will write 01. Is there any difference in 1 and 01? No. Meaning of both are same. Just to represent it in 4-digit numeral, I have written 1 as 01. And how many minutes are there? 30 hours. That means there is no difference in 12-hour clock time and in 24-hour clock time. But when? During the AM time. Okay. Now, I told you from 12 noon. This is my 12 noon. 12 noon and again this is my 12 midnight. So from 12 noon to 12 midnight, time is represented as PM. In 12-hour clock time, we write the time as PM in 12-hour clock time. Now you can see at 12, here it is 12, no difference. This also I will explain you, wait. But when from 12, it has moved to 1. Here it is written 13, 2, 14, 3, 15. Why? Because this 12-hour clock time has reset it itself here. But 24-hour clock time is continuously moving. It has not reset it here. It is moving continuously 12, 13, 14. Now 1, 13, 2, 14, 3, 15. That means in PM. If the time is in PM, in 12-hour clock time, to convert it into 24-hour clock time, what we will be doing? We will be simply adding 12 to hours. 12 plus 1, 13. 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 3, 15. 12 plus 4, 16. 12 plus 5, 17. And so on. Let me explain you with one small example. Suppose the time is 1:30 PM only. Let us take the same time. Now it is 1. This is my hours and these are my minutes. Now I told you in PM there is a big difference. Yes, in PM when the hour hand is at 1 in 12-hour clock time, the time in 24-hour clock time will be 13. How I will get 13 from 1? When I will add 12 to 1. So 12 plus 1, 13. Yes, minutes I will not touch, I will write as it is. So 30 itself. Hours. Understood? Now, we understood that in AM, need not to worry, simply write the same time, no adding, no subtracting, but in PM, we have to add 12 to hours. When we will add 12 in our hours, we will get the time in 24-hour clock time. Now, listen carefully. This is 12 midnight. 12 midnight when both the hands of the clock are sharp at 12. At that time, in 24-hour clock time, we will be seeing 00. Day is beginning. Here also day is beginning. But here time is written as 12 and here it is written as 00. Now, 12 midnight, when both the hands of the clock are sharp at 12, then so we don't use AM, we don't use PM, simply we write 12 midnight. But if a single minute is being passed after 12 midnight, what we will be seeing? What we will be saying? We will be saying it as AM. Suppose time is 12:01. After 12 midnight, 1 minute has passed. Now the time will be written in AM. Yes? Now, then 12:01, then 12:05, 12:10 AM, 12:15 AM, 12:30 AM, 12:40 AM, 12:45 AM, 12:50 AM, 12:55 AM, 12:59 AM. Then only after 12:59, the hour hand will be at 1. Now, listen carefully. That means from 12 midnight to 12:59 AM. Listen carefully. If the time is written 12 midnight to 12:59 AM and we have to convert it into 24-hour clock time, we will subtract 12. We will subtract 12. Once again, I am repeating, from 12 midnight to 12:59 AM, if we need to convert the time in 24-hour clock time, what we will be doing? We will be subtracting 12 from hours only. Minutes so we don't touch. Okay. Why we are subtracting? Listen carefully. Suppose the time is this only, 12:01 AM. Now, what is this 12? What this 12 is representing? 12 midnight. Yes. And when the time is 12 midnight in our 12-hour clock time, at that time, 24-hour clock time shows 00. How we will get 00 from 12? When we will subtract 12 from 12, we will get 00. So time will be 00. 12 minus 12, 0. And minutes I will write as it is. So this is the time. This is 12-hour clock time and this is 24-hour clock time. So you remember one thing, that is from 12 midnight to 12:59 AM we will subtract 12 from hours to convert it into 24-hour clock time. Okay. Now then what will come? Then AM part will come. In AM, so no difference. Each and every number is same, you can see. Now you come to 12 noon. Now 12 noon. Again at 12 noon both the hands of the clock are sharp at 12. And when both the hands of the clock are sharp at 12, we will not use AM, we will not use PM. Simply we will be saying it as 12 noon. But after 12 noon, if a single minute has passed, then we will be saying the time in PM. We will say this is PM time. That is, suppose after 12 noon, single minute has passed. Again I am writing the same time, but I am talking here about after 12 noon. Okay. So 12:01 PM. Because 1 minute has passed after 12 noon, so we will be writing the time in PM only. Now, you can see when here it is 12, here also it is 12. Unless and until it is coming on 1, time is 12 only. This I have explained you. Yes, when it will come at 1, then only we will be reading it as 13. That means from 12 noon to 12:59 PM. 12 noon to 12:59 PM. No change. We will not subtract, we will not add. Nothing we will do. Same time we will be writing as it is in 24-hour clock time also. Now suppose this time only I have to write suppose 12:01 p.m. Now you can see here it is 12, here also it is 12. So I will write same time 12 minutes, so I never touch. 01 hours, you can see 12, 12, 01, 01. Only it is written, I have written here hours, because in 24-hour clock time is not represented as AM or PM. Got it? So you understood? Only these 2 points you have to remember. That is, from 12 midnight to 12:59 AM, we will subtract 12 to convert it into 24-hour clock time. And from 12 noon to 12:59 PM, no change. Both the times are same. Okay? And now when the hour hand will come at 1 in 12-hour clock time, at that time 24-hour clock time will be read as 13. When it will come at 2, 24-hour clock time will be read as 14. How we are getting 14? By adding 12 in hours. Now the question is, why we are adding 12? Because already 12 hours have been passed. See, 12 hours have been passed. That is why we are adding 12 to this particular one to make it 13, to convert it into 24-hour clock time. So 3 things you have to remember. What are the 3 things? In AM, no need to worry. You will write the time as it is. In PM, you will add 12 to hours, and 2 special cases you have to remember. That is, from 12 midnight to 12:59 AM, we will subtract 12. And from 12 noon to 12:59 PM, there is no change. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. Thank you.